Good morning. Guess what? It's your second day of vlogging.
Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. We're walking in the rain because, it's winter here now and that's what it does. It rains. I'm getting excited to come home for the snow. Oh, somebody's watching me. I'm getting excited to come home for the snow. But yeah, we're walking to school. Probably gonna need some two cafe lattes, please. No treats for us. Just a good old cup of coffee. The vlog is uploading. Jess is helping me with some tags because, it gets hard to think of ideas. But so, Vlogmas Day 1 is on its way. It's thunderstorming. Oh my god, yep, it's thunderstorming. So loud right now. So, yeah, we're gonna go work on our film. I'm gonna show you some of that. It's gonna be kind of a boring day, but it'll be fun though, right, Jess? Vlogmas Day 2. Great December, Day 2. So we just got done struggling with our film. It was hard.
I don't struggle.
You did. Not as bad as me, but then we went to the grocery store and we got some snacks. So I got a pack of meat and my favorite olive bread. Jess got these little bunny things. They're like pretzel with meat inside. And I got a thing of cookies. And Band-Aids because we're having foot problems, but we'll see how these are. I haven't tried these yet. Then I have class. We go home. That's probably pretty much it. Class is over. It actually went full time today. Not even the full time, but the longest I think we've gone literally all semester. So now we're walking home. I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner.
Oh, with pesto.
I hope we have pasta and not soup, because when we have soup, I'm hungry by like 3 a.m. So I'll take a little shot of what we get for dinner. It's kind of weird vlogging down the street. I just finished editing today's vlog. I'm gonna toss this clip in at the end. Hope you enjoyed, had fun following us around today and our little Create December segment there at the end by Documented Journey. So I'll see you tomorrow.